Both days have been fantastic. Great energy in the building. Why do I enjoy it? Because it's approachable. The people are informed and engaged. You can walk around the stands and have an absolutely excellent conversation on a range of topics I understand nothing about, but come away feeling like I've learned a little bit.
I think it's really important to look outside of an organisation you work in to see what other people are doing. A, to find out that you're doing the right thing anyway, and B, to see if there's some better way you can do it. And you get to a stage where you are the specialist for your company, so therefore you have to look outside, and that's the way to grow and learn.
It's been great. There's a lot to take in, there's a lot to see and be a part of as well. Made a lot of connections, which is great for industry, networking, and also quite practical connections too for helping us deliver engineering solutions, which is great.
Even from a few hours on the stand this morning, potential future suppliers coming talking to us and introducing new technology to us that, okay, it'd be interesting to see how that could work alongside. It gives us new product ideas, new opportunities. It's a great opportunity to meet many people in a short amount of time.
I'm quite a tactile person. I like to see stuff, touch it, feel it, and being able to get and see the technology and have it demonstrated or talk to the people about it. Having everything under one roof essentially is great as an engineer to see.